Hi YouTubers, how's it going? Just a little quick product review on a Taiss socket tester. A TA-106B is the model number. What a handy little tool to have. If you're having AC problems or something's acting funny, doesn't seem to be operating right, or it's got a hum or a buzz, or if you keep losing an item, clock radio that keeps replacing, it keeps going out, or if you just got a socket that's just not working, man, this is a great little tool. I picked this up off of Amazon, and man, I tell you, I built a new shop, and I've been wiring a lot of new circuits in it, and I wanted somebody to test it, and I went out and searched around and found this, and I mean, this is one of those I think it's under, I can't remember the exact price, but it's very reasonable. I know it was under 20, maybe even under 10. But anyway, neat little item. Kind of explain it to you the way it works. Basically, it's just if you look here, it's just basically a plug with a display and some LED lights. And if you read right, what you're looking for is you're looking for these two LEDs here and here to be lit when you put it in a socket, because that tells you that you're correct, your grounding's right and your AC's right. Obviously, if you have an open circuit, you're either going to have no lights, or you're going to have one, which means an open neutral, which you can read down here. It kind of explains all the different, what the LED codes mean. And then if anything, if you have one of these situations where it's lighting up, you can go out and Google it, and it'll pretty much explain what's going on with your wiring. It's also got a neat little function that, let me go ahead and plug this in here to show you that it also displays your voltage. And as you can see, the circuit is good. I'm not sure why those LEDs are blinking. That they shouldn't be. They're solid here, but there for a second it was like it was blinking. But anyway, I think it was just the camera adjusted. But anyway, as you can see, I've got 115 volts AC going in, and I've got the correct wiring on this socket. And you can just go around and unplug it from here, and oh look, here we got another socket. We'll just go over here and plug it in here. Yeah, we're good. 115 volts. Check the other socket too while we're there. Look, yeah, good. 115 volts, and you just go around your house and make sure that all your wiring is correct. It also has a neat little extra function on it. Take it back out here and bring it back up under the table and show you that right down here it's got a little button, and what that is, that's a GFCI tester. So if you want to make sure your GFCI circuits are correct, you can plug this in and push that button, and what it will do is it will cause your GFCI to trip, and then you know that it's working correctly. So it basically switches it to ground for 5 milliseconds and or 5 milliamps, and make sure that it trips. So you can also check your GFCI for safety. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little review on this. Definitely a handy little item to have around the house, especially if you think you're having some wiring problems, or if you just want to make sure, heck, if you're going to buy a house or something, wouldn't be a bad item to have in your pocket to kind of go around and make sure, especially if it's an older house, make sure that the AC is wired correctly. But what a neat little tool. I mean, they used to have them in the stores. They were yellow, and they just had the LEDs. I really like that it has a display on it, because you can also check your voltage. Make sure you don't have a voltage drop or something, 90 volts or something. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick little review. Definitely a handy item to have in your toolbox. Please subscribe. This is the Electron Man. Have a good day. This video was produced by me, the Electron Man. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day.